Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Another day, another vlog. My love has always been in the hair, and on today's episode, we are doing something with our DIY Microlocs. Okay. Yeah, it's so good to switch things up. And over here, I just spritz my hair with water, so I'm just making sure that all that moisture is soaked in my hair. But the style of the day is these braids. So I'm currently doing my reties as I do the braids, and then I'm going to be adding beads. So I already did first half of my hair, and then the top part is what I'm left with, right? Yeah, so this is just the 360 of my hair. I already did the back side. Yeah, looks so good, so good. It took me, I think, a day or two. I can't quite fathom, and this is the part that I'm left with. So this is what I'm going to be doing with you guys. So I take a section. Okay, so before that, I'm just demonstrating the beads that I'm going to be using. They are colorless, and I don't like that they don't have any color, and I'm someone who's colorful. So you can guess in the comment section which color I decided to land on. However, I know very well it might be on the thumbnail. So again, I spray my hair with water. This is just water, I believe. Yeah, and then I take 5 sections, like 5 microlock strands, and then get to retie them. I normally do the 4-point rotation. If you haven't watched that video, you should run, don't walk, run to watch that video. I'll link it in the description box. Okay, so I do the 4-point rotation. After I'm done with 5 lock strands, I go ahead and form a braid. Yeah, so basically that's just it. Stay tuned for how my hair will turn out. Tell me in the comment section how you think of this video so far, and I'd really appreciate it. Also, sorry about the audio, but this will do. Okay, cheers. If you made it this far, bestie, you are my favorite person and you don't know it yet. So over here I have my beads, the colorless beads to be precise. And if you guessed pink and purple, you are absolutely correct. So to make this DIY so easy, I figured that I need a pencil and some cheapest nail polish I could find in the market, and I took the pink and the purple one. So I insert the bead onto the pencil and then go around, rotate as I color, and then I have my A4 paper, which I'm going to leave them there to dry. are all dried up. So this is me picking the pink one just to confirm whether it's completely dry, and we can see that it has already dried. This is the purple one, looks so good. So next up, I'll be attaching them on my lock strands. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so this is me trying to show you guys how they look like on the paper. Oopsie. But yeah, you get the idea. So I actually don't have like a tool to insert the beads, so I'll just be using my own hands the way we do with a thread and a needle, and then at the end get to tie a knot so that they may not fall down. Stay tuned to see how they actually turned out, and comment how they turned out on a scale of 1 to 10. How do you think my Microlocs DIY beads turned out?